Hi guys, you're welcome to Marion's channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you and you are welcome. But if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please, before leaving, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, then the notification button so that if I drop a video, you will get notified. So today in this video, I'm going to be putting you through step by step on how I achieve my French coil wig. If you are a lover of French coils wig and you don't like plaiting it on your head, then this video is for you. But before I dive into this video, into the main discussion, I have a little story to tell you. Let me tell you on how I gave someone my wig, my hair to ventilate closure for me, and the rest of the stuff for this person to make French coil for me. Can you imagine that this person took this hair and the rest of the wig items since October last year, that is 2025? And before she took it, I asked her, how long will you take before wicking this French coil for me? She said just 2 weeks highest. So I gave her 2 weeks. But to my greatest surprise, I kept calling and calling and calling and she wasn't responding to my call. So I kept on calling and calling and calling, and she will tell me that, hey, sorry ma, I have done it. It's remaining this. Just hold on. I kept on calling and calling, and she would tell me, hey ma, like this, like that, like this, like that. I said, okay. I was patient enough, so I was still waiting for her to wick the French coil and then bring it to me. So she kept on giving me an agenda until it was December. And you know, most people that make hair, December is their peak period, that they have too much customer. So I kept on asking her when it was the first week of December, what about my week? Have you not done it? What is happening? And she would tell me, no problem, I will do it. No problem, I will do it. I've already ventilate closure for you, so there is no problem. I am going to do it and bring it to you. Not until it gets to the second week of December. And when I called her, she told me that, sorry, Oma, you know that because of this is December work, we have too much work, so I will not be able to do this week at this period. So, but after this period pass, then I am going to do this week for you. I said, oh, no problem. I even went to her shop. When I got to her shop, and she just quickly told me that, sorry, Oma, and the hair is not here. The things are not here. I took it home, and because this is a busy period. I said, no problem. I said, everything is fine. So, December passed. I kept on asking this girl. She cannot bring my wig. She's not saying anything. Then I told her, okay, bring this wig for me. I told her, okay, I don't want you to wig it again. Just bring the attachment and the rest of the thing. That was when she later told me that, sorry, oh, ma, I traveled. I am not around. And when I come around, I will bring it. Then she later said, I was thinking that when I resume work, I am going to do the wigging for you, then bring it. Me too, with my calm mind and understanding mind, I told her, okay, no problem. But make sure when you resume work immediately, you wig the attachment and bring it to me. And she said, okay, no problem, no wahala, I am going to do it for you. So me now, in my mind, I was very happy, knowing fully well that I am going to receive my hair. I'm going to receive the French coils that I like, and I'm going to slay it because I am a lover of French coils. But I don't like to sit down and plait it on my head. Before you know it, first week of January pass. This lady is still not saying anything. Ha! I look at it again. Second week came. I kept on calling her and calling and calling. She was not even picking my call. That was the most annoying part. She was not picking my call. I kept on calling and calling and calling and calling. She was not picking. I said, I said, this girl, it's as if this girl is playing with me. Someone told me that let it not be that she has sold the attachment during the festive period, because it's as if many people were just doing these French coils anyhow, anyway. So in my mind, I was like, maybe she has actually sold this attachment. So I quickly called her again. She did not pick. I called her. She did not pick. I waited to see if she was going to return my call. This lady never returned my call. That was when I quickly texted her and I told her, please make sure before the end of this day, bring those things to me. I want them. Don't bother waking them again. Don't bother. Just bring them to me. Hey. And she later now came and replied my message on WhatsApp. Somebody that I called before texting, but she never picked my call. Even to return my call, she did not return my call back. Hey, as you she replied me and said, okay, ma. But I started doing it. She was waiting for me to reply. So I did not reply anything. I did not say anything again to her because I've already texted her that please carry my attachment and the ventilated closure and the rest of the thing, carry and come. Carry it and bring it to me. So when she sent the message that I have already started doing it, she was thinking that I am going to reply. But I did not say anything again. Then she later came and write under that, okay, I will carry it and come. So I was waiting for her to come. She didn't come. I waited and waited and waited. This girl did not come. I was looking at my time. Anyways, if you have watched this video right up to this end, I hope that you're getting the attention from the video. And I hope that you're watching what I'm doing on the video while you are getting the gist. Yes, and please make sure you hit the like button. And please subscribe to my channel. Hey, I am also a new YouTuber. I am trying to grow my YouTube page. But please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, so that each time I drop a new video, you are going to come and watch and listen to gist, just like what you are doing now. Yes, so back to our discussion. So I waited and waited and waited. This girl was not coming with my week. I was looking at the time. It was getting late. I said, is it that this girl just want to try me, or truly is it that she has sold this week? But again, I said, if she has sold this week, this attachment, she would tell me. I said, let me not conclude. So I kept on calling. And she weren't taking my call. So I texted her again on WhatsApp. I told her, what is keeping you? Please make sure that today should not pass without you bringing those things to me. She said, okay, ma, it is because I am alone in the shop. That is why I haven't come with them. I said, okay. So it was already dark. Everywhere was dark. I was already preparing to go to bed. Then, all of a sudden, I heard knock on my gate. I did not pay attention. Then I saw my phone ringing. It was her. I said, okay. Oh. So when I picked, she said she's outside my gate. See me, see joy. I quickly rushed out to go and collect my things. And when I opened the gate, this girl was telling me that, hey ma, sorry, the person that was giving me attachment said she wants to go to wedding and there was nobody giving me attachment. And so that is why I could not do the hair. But I started it already. I just told her, no problem, don't bother. Just give no problem, no issue. If there's anything ahead, we are going to balance it up. That was how I collected my French course and said that I am going to do it alone. But the message in this video is that never underrate yourself in anything that you are doing. Always put it to yourself that you can do all things. Yes, I have been learning how to braid, but I haven't gotten up to this point. And this is my first time of wicking a hair and attachment like this. Please guys, read my work and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please like my video so that whenever I drop a video next, you can come and watch it and listen to it. Don't forget, Marion's channel is all about lifestyle and everything. Thank you and bye.